In this video, I will be showing you how to install Proton VPN on Windows. So let's get started. For this, just search for Proton VPN download. We'll be having the official link protonvpn.com. Click here. Here we are having download for Windows. Select this. I'm having 64-bit, so I will just click on the first one. The download will be getting started. It is around 121 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the select setup language. Choose the language of your choice and click on OK. This is fine. Click on next. And here, apart from VPN, we are offered with Proton Mail, Drive and Pass. If you want to install this also, check this and click on install. If you don't want it, you can simply uncheck it. That's totally up to you. And click on install. Once the installation is complete, it will ask you to sign in or create an account. So just do that. If you are going to create an account, it will redirect you to the browser. Here they will show you the plans that they have. Or if you want to sign up for free, you can click here also. So this is totally up to you. After you create an account and sign in, we will be getting the welcome to Proton VPN interface. Click on get started. So we will be getting a lot of countries to choose from in the paid plan. So if you're using the free plan, simply click on connect. That's it. It has been connected. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.